Ready to fill your brand new store with amazing products? In this video, I'll walk you through the simple process of adding your first product to Shopify, step by step. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Adding products is where your store truly comes to life, and Shopify makes this process clean and straightforward. Let's get your first item listed. First, from your Shopify admin, navigate to the Products section in the left-hand menu. Then, click the blue Add Product button in the top right corner. This will open up the product creation page. Now, let's fill in the essential details. Start with the product title and description. Be clear and descriptive here. This is what customers and search engines will see. Use keywords that shoppers might use to find your product. Next, move to the Media section to upload high-quality images of your product. You can drag and drop your files here. Then, in the Pricing section, enter the product's price and, if applicable, its compare price to show a discount. Don't forget the Inventory section. If you're tracking stock, enter the SKU and quantity here. For digital products or items you don't track by number, you can disable inventory tracking. A crucial pro tip: before hitting Save, look at the top right of the page. You'll see a toggle for product status. You can save the product as a draft to keep it hidden, or set it to active to publish it immediately to your store. This gives you full control over your launch timing. And just like that, you've added your first product. You're officially a merchandise manager. If this step-by-step guide helped you get your first item listed, please give it a like. What was the first product you added to your store? Share it in the comments below. To learn how to add multiple products at once, subscribe for our next video on bulk importing products to Shopify. Thanks for watching.